Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
My name is Chelsea. What is your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
Oh, nice. How is the weather there now?
Today is very fine. The degree, it's about 14.
14. Okay, I have to look because I am from America and we use Fahrenheit. Let me see.
Do you live in the north or in the south?
So, I am from Chicago.
Yeah.
So I'm from a very cool place. Oh, 14 is good. It's not hot.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. But I live in East Africa. I live in Kenya.
Yeah.
And here now it is about, let me see. It is about 27.
Oh, very nice weather.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah. Maybe you can go to the beach and
Yeah.
have a swimming day.
Yeah, I live close to the beach here.
Oh, I'm begging you. Yeah, because I love swimming.
What city do you live in Iraq?
I live in Baghdad.
Oh, okay. So what do you do? Do you study or do you work?
Currently, I study on my language. I want to improve my English language.
You want to improve your English. Your English sounds very good so far.
Thank you. I think.
So tell me, why do you want to improve your English?
First thing for me, for myself, yeah, I want to get more knowledge. I want to
Good.
get I want to get more many things about foreign culture, American culture.
Yeah.
I want to learn the slang language
Oh,
there.
really?
Yeah, so I can communicate with the people there
Yeah.
naturally, and they understand me instantly.
Yeah. Good. So
Yeah.
what do you like about American culture?
There's many habits I love there. For example, the education system there, the how they're living there, and the living with the people with each other, and many things. The habits, very. I love many habits there.
Have you been to the United States?
No, at all.
Do you watch a lot of movies about the United States?
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah.
Yeah, the movies and TV shows
Uh-huh.
inspired me to learn about this culture.
So what TV shows do you like?
I like many TV shows, like Game of Thrones,
Oh, yeah.
The Walking Dead. Yeah, I know this is the popular TV
Yeah.
shows.
Yeah.
I love watch horror movies.
Oh,
Um,
really?
yeah, yeah. I think these days the horror movie, it's all about demon.
I know. I cannot watch them though. I'm scared.
To be honest, I see them
A
in the
little
morning.
scared. Oh, in the morning.
Yeah. I can see it in the night,
Me
because
too.
I imagine the demon beside me, or
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
But when I was a little kid, I
yeah,
loved that stuff. You know, when I was small, I was
yeah.
obsessed with horror movies. But as an adult, I am so scared. I
Do
cannot take
yeah,
5 minutes. I cannot
Yeah.
watch it for 5 minutes.
Do you know what the reason you are not scared when you are in small? Because in that time the horror movies, it's all about the zombies and killing. But these days the horror movies is very terrifying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if the movies changed or if I changed, but now I cannot watch anything scary. I am such a chicken. But when I was 10, I used to make my mother go to at this time you had to go to the video store,
Yeah.
Yeah, you had to go to
Yeah.
rent the movie,
The
and I
rent
would
movie, yes.
all the movies at one store, and then I would make my mother drive to a different store to watch some more scary movies.
Scary movie.
Now, no, I just want to laugh and
Maybe your daughter. Maybe your
yeah,
daughter.
maybe. I don't
Yeah.
have any kids yet, so maybe one day.
Yeah, maybe in the future.
Yeah, yeah. So tell me, what else do you like to do when you are not speaking English and watching movies? What are your hobbies?
In the summer, I love swimming so much
Nice.
because it's a good sport for the whole body,
Hmm.
and yeah, and it make the muscles strong. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I love to play on the treadmill.
What is that? It's a game.
Not a treadmill, like walking the machine,
Oh,
walking
tread.
machine.
Treadmill.
A
try-
treadmill.
No,
Tread.
mill.
Tread.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mill. Practice.
Treadmill.
No, you're saying mall, not mall. Mill.
Mill.
Yes, good.
Treadmill.
Yes, good. Okay,
Yeah.
so you like to be fit, yeah?
Yeah. I
That's-
love when I see myself on the mirror. I want to yeah. I love to see myself in a good shape.
Very good. That's great. That's great. I'm trying to love exercise. It's
Yeah.
not working, but I'm trying to love it. I want to love exercise, but I only really like swimming because I'm not sweating when I'm swimming,
Swimming and sweating.
Yeah, I'm not sweating,
No,
Let me write it for you.
yes,
I will translate. Hold on.
sweating. What does that mean?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, your language is Arabic, right?
No, you can explain in English, so I
Oh,
can.
it's right. When you are working out and you get water, when it's hot and the
I
water's
understand you.
sweating, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I like it when I'm not sweating. So that's why I like swimming, because there's no sweat.
No, I like. So I like sweating because when I walk on a treadmill,
Yeah,
and I see sweating
yeah.
in my head and in the whole body.
You like
Yeah, I like it because I know I'm losing weight.
it's good for the body. It's healthy.
Yes,
Yeah, it's important. If you don't sweat, you start to have problems.
yes, it is.
Yeah, but I don't like the feeling. I only do the treadmill for like 10-15 minutes in the morning
Yeah,
to get hot to go swimming. That's it.
yeah. Like me, I used to walk around 15 or 20 minutes in the day, and sometimes 3 days in the week. Not
Yeah.
every day, because
Yeah,
sometimes I don't have a time
Yeah.
just a cup of tea and jump
Yeah.
into my car and go to my work.
Right.
Yeah.
What what kind of tea do you drink there? I'm curious.
Yeah, green tea.
Oh, green
Yeah,
tea.
I used to drink green tea about 2 years ago.
I wonder, I'm curious, what is your food like in Iraq?
There is many delicious food here in Iraq. It's maybe if you tasted, you never leave it.
Right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm
we use in the food uh, much more oil
oh,
in the food.
that's okay.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, we have many for delicious food.
You have a lot of rice. I see.
Y-
I'm
Yes.
looking on Google.
Do you like rice?
Yeah, I like rice. It's not the best for food to eat, but I like it a lot.
Yeah, with soup or without soup?
I don't care.
Just a rice.
Yeah, I like rice like when they put a lot of flavors, you know? Like when
Yes.
you cook the rice with some curry or some flavor, like in India or, you know?
Even here, we cook the rice in many types of the flavor.
Spices and different flavors.
Yes, different
Yeah,
flavors. Sometimes we mix with the rice chicken,
yeah,
and it makes the taste is very delicious.
nice, good.
Yeah.
So, what do you do for fun there? I don't know much
Um,
about what your society is like.
yeah. Currently, my hobbies, my main hobbies is to when I have a season in Cambly because
Oh yeah, you're studying
yeah,
a lot, huh?
yeah,
Good.
3 times in a week.
Oh, very good.
Yeah,
I think you are doing really great.
yeah, because you are a great tutor.
Did you
Yeah,
did you take any classes in person, like with a teacher, or are you learning by yourself?
I'm learning with my books and sometimes in the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Wow. Very
the biggest challenge for me when I talk with a native speaker in Cambly.
yeah. So
Yeah.
how is it listening to me and talking to me? Is it easy for you because you seem to be responding pretty quickly?
Yeah.
Is my accent okay for you?
Yes, it's very clearly. I understand
Okay,
you
good.
totally.
Okay,
Yes.
good. Yeah, you are almost close to a native speaker because I usually have to slow down for,
Uh,
for
for
students, but for you,
yes.
I'm talking very casually, like I'm just talking to my friend, and you seem to understand.
Wow.
Yeah?
You make my day. It's very
Ah,
great.
good. Now go and look at
I
yourself in the
swear.
mirror, and you will be so happy today.
Yeah. I want to thank you to make my day. It's very great.
Oh yeah, you're sounding very good. Do you I want to know, do you listen to any podcasts?
Yeah, I listen to podcasts, yeah.
Okay, that's a
And
very good activity because then you have only your sound and you cannot see. Yeah, and it's a good practice to only
yes, yes, always busy with ear. So the sound
yeah.
is come inside my mind.
Oh yeah, yeah, good, good.
Yeah.
It's very nice to meet you. Our time is
Thank
ending, but
you.
I will add you to
Yes,
my students so you can request and see my schedule anytime.
with my pleasure. I
Okay.
appreciate you.
Very nice to meet you, Ahmed.
Thank you very much. Thank you
Have a good
too.
day.
Goodbye. Take care.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye bye.